Two key moments today in the hearing that will decide if ex-MSU President Luana Simon will go to trial. An MSP detective on the case had an interesting answer when asked if he believed Simon lied, and something the judge said that may hint at what her ruling might be. Nick Monticelli has been following every minute of today's hearing, which hasn't yet produced a ruling yet, Nick.
Not yet, and that's because we're not done with testimony. Today marks the 5th day for this hearing, but it was interesting, kind of inside baseball. But as you heard the detective talked, we heard from a judge, and we heard the reason the defense might try to throw this entire case out.
So during your interview, did you ask the defendant about Larry Nassar?
We did.
MSP Detective William Orange sat on the witness stand making bold statements about former MSU President Luana K. Simon.
I don't have any doubt that she lied to us. I believe she did lie to us.
Simon is charged with lying to a peace officer during the state's investigation into a potential cover-up of the Larry Nassar scandal. She says she only knew of an issue with a sports medicine doctor, not that it was Nassar. The state says she is lying to avoid criminal and civil responsibility.
That is ridiculous. There is not a shred of evidence, not a shred of testimony on this record to prove that.
The strongest argument so far is an alleged notation by the university's Title IX coordinator, a handwritten note reading Nassar on a folder with an agenda for a meeting with Dr. Simon. In discussing whether some evidence could be admitted, Eaton County Judge Julie Renke discussed what probable cause she believes exists so far. And some believe her comment could point towards her future ruling.
I have seen lots of agendas with sexual assault and OCR on them. I think they provide probable cause that Dr. Simon knew what was going on, and there is a reference to the osteopathic medicine department.
So is that an indication of what her ruling might be? We're going to have to wait and see. Day 6 is going to be in July, and the defense is now contesting that as part of the charge of lying to a peace officer, the suspect, has to know they were talking about a criminal investigation. The defense is now saying Luana Simon didn't even know about that. They will likely try to get the case tossed on that. Jason?
Yeah, the judge's comment there does sound very telling. And Nick, this isn't the only Nassar-related case you're following today.
No, in fact, Dean Strample, the former dean of osteopathic medicine, was also in court today, closing arguments in his case, and some really interesting things brought up. We're going to have a full report on what we're waiting for as far as what the jury is going to talk about and what they're seeing coming up on Local 4 News at 6.
We look forward to your report then, Nick. Thank you.